Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chewy candy at home. First, gather your essential ingredients, including sugar, corn syrup, and butter, along with any flavorings you desire. Prepare your workspace by lining a baking sheet with parchment paper and having a reliable candy thermometer ready. Ensure all your equipment is clean and set up before you begin the cooking process. Next, combine your sugar, corn syrup, and a small amount of water in a heavy-bottomed pot. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly to prevent burning, until it reaches a specific temperature, typically around 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a candy thermometer is crucial for accuracy to achieve the perfect chewy texture. Once the mixture reaches the target temperature, remove it from the heat. Now, quickly incorporate butter and your chosen flavorings, like vanilla extract or fruit essences. Stir vigorously until the mixture thickens and transforms into an opaque, creamy consistency. You can also add a few drops of food coloring for a vibrant, appealing look. Finally, pour the hot candy mixture onto your prepared baking sheet, spreading it evenly. Allow the candy to cool completely at room temperature. This can take several hours. Once firm, use a sharp, oiled knife to cut it into bite-sized pieces. Wrap each individual candy in wax paper to prevent sticking and keep them fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.